Today I took great trades on Bitcoin and Solana, and it's really so sad that Bitcoin hit me exactly into high and after that moved into my favor. But still, I think it is one of the best examples why I need to show you this trade, that you in the future can avoid mistakes that I did and also make money. Because if price would hit my take profit, it would be 1000 USD of profit. And also on Solana, I took powerful short. Let's discuss how I took those trades and what was the reason. It was a Monday, 3rd of October. Here when I woke up, because I do not trade on weekends, I saw this beautiful open interest rise and price slowly squeezed down, and you can see that every 1 hour candle were closing below. Honestly, it is a powerful signal that with bigger chance price will continue a move, because open interest indicates that someone built a position. Additionally, price was at powerful support area, and honestly, it's in normal cases it's a difficult place to take long, but we didn't have any structure break. We have significant open interest rise. Only in that case you can take a trade into continuation at such important areas such as value area lows. That's the reason why I took this 20,000 volume trade. And here what mistake I did, I took 20,000 volume trade with stop loss, my risk per position 250, and my stop loss at that moment was around 109,000. And if I wouldn't do anything bad, I would be in a profit, and at this moment I would make money beautifully on this trade. But what I saw in a moment, I saw additional squeezing down with open interest continue to rising. Because of that, I thought maybe there would be acceleration of a move, and that's a reason why additionally I added additional 10,000 volume, 10,000 USD of volume. Because of that, I moved my stop loss closer to reduce my risk in position, and you can see exactly price this pullback, and after that moved into my favor. That's example for you why don't be greedy with tight stop losses. Because of tight stop losses, instead of making approximately 1000 USD, I ended up with minus 274 with commission. That's the reason why I share it with you, because you need to see that not always you will get beautiful trades with only take profit. Sometimes there would be stop losses, and you need to know other part of a spectrum. Let's go to Solana. On Solana, I made net 508 USD. And what was the reason why I took trade on Solana? Before I tell you, I have really great news to you. You can get access to this strategy where we make decent money. As you can see, our direction zones are really accurate, where I share with you how to enter, how to exit our scalping approach. You simply need to open a form, fill 4 questions about you, and after that my team will give you access to our scalping course that will help you learn how we trade. What was the reason why we also took short, why I took short on Solana? Same reason. You can see significant rise in open interest with price slowly squeezed down, and entire market were bearish. That's really super important. When you trade with open interest in crypto, you need to always analyze context, because if you have a strong trend, with bigger chance that trend would continue. Main reason why I thought about short here, because we had this downward structure plus BTC were extremely bearish, and because of that I took a short trade here. You can see my position size was nearly 15,000. Honestly, I did only one mistake here, because I could keep my target a little bit bigger, but at the moment I saw this massive liquidation, and because of that I decided to take profit. And honestly, in some cases it's difficult to keep your trade, because on BTC you can see that on Bitcoin I got lost, and that's a reason why for me it was difficult to keep my Solana. And if I wouldn't have stop loss on BTC, I would keep my Solana way longer. And that's example for you how one mistake lead to another, and instead of making money on BTC around 1000, instead of keeping my Solana longer to at least 1000 USD of profit, I ended with small less than 200 USD of profit. That's example for you why you should don't be greedy. Sometimes it's better to take less, but take it. And the last one, it was Ethereum, when I tried to catch a reversal, because there was this significant delta, and I thought in a moment that's over, the drop is over, and there would be a reversal. That's example for you how average trading day could looks like. Sometimes we win big, sometimes we lose, but the major goal is to have always profits in many times bigger In that case, you will cover all your losses. Right now, I ask you to push like, and I am prepared to do video lesson about open interest strategies and approaches, because you can see how powerful they are. And if you avoid mistake, you can make 1,000-2,000 USD per one single trading session. That's why. Watch it, enjoy, bye.